Hi everybody, how are you doing? It's Lisa, Joyfully Art. Gonna make another video. Here's the one from my last video. The Deco ring turned out really nice. As you can tell, these little things right here look like leaves and the stem going up, so I think I'm gonna make some flowers on it. Looks really good. Strained my floetrol really good and no more bumps. So there's that one. Let's get on with the next. I'm just gonna be working on this 8x10 this time. And I'm trying really hard to get all my videos done before vacation, but I don't think it's gonna happen. There's so much going on in my life right now. My mother's been ill and I've been having to go and help her. Helping with the grandkids. I don't think I'm going to get them all done, and I really apologize for that. But as soon as I get back from vacation, I will be right back here making videos. So let's get on with this. I'll probably miss 2 or 3. I hope it's not that much, but I just don't know. I'm really apologize. This is rose gold, and I'm going to put some in the center. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. I think just a flip cup. I love the rose gold. I have my little cup, and I'm going to start with, got it all over the place, some yellow oxide. And in the bottom. And then I have some unbleached titanium. I don't think very many people like that color, but I do. And then I have some mermaid sirene. I love this color green. It's got some on it. I want it in my paint. And then I have a caramel color. I think I'm going to spread this out a little bit. For it to flow on, and there's a piece of something right there that I didn't get. There we go. Nope, it's back on there. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of rose gold up high to go down through the middle. All right, so without any further ado, here we go. Quick. See how that works. We're supposed to leave a week from today on our vacation. We won't be back until I think the 23rd. So I'm hoping that I can get some videos still done, but I'm not sure. There we go. Open that up. Ooh, the cup's pretty. You can see in there. Give it a torch. I love working on these 8x10s. They're so cute. Lots of air bubbles from shaking my paint. Everything over, that's good. It's really pretty colors together. Uh-oh. I see something on my paint, I'm gonna get it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's terrible. while I see it, so I don't lose it in the meantime. Give it a turn around so you guys can see. This is really pretty all together. For once, maybe I didn't make up enough paint. I usually have too much. I'm the one that always makes too much paint and flood the canvas too much, but doesn't look like it. One more corner to go. Yeah, it's getting there. See if we can help it along a little bit. Okay. Come on. Let's see about our edges and our sides. That's covered pretty good. Spot over here. Oh, look at that lacing. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful on there. That's gonna stay right where it's at. That's gorgeous. That is a gorgeous piece. Love it. Love it, love it. Get my hands wiped off. Okay. Give it one more torch. See what comes up. And I didn't put any silicone in any of my paints for this one. That's all natural from the paints themselves. I'll give you a close-up. Look at that lacing. Isn't that beautiful? The colors just went really well together. So happy with this one. All right, folks, that's it for today. All of my information is in the description box below. If you see anything that you like, any of my paintings, please get a hold of me. I'm on Etsy and Instagram. All my information is down there, so. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. It helps with my placement with YouTube. I sure would appreciate that. And I'll try like heck to get all my videos up before I go on vacation, but if I don't, please bear with me and I'll be back as soon as we get back from vacation. And as always, please have a great day.